2-inch PROSeries ratchet buckle has a lot of features that you won't find on your standard ratchet buckles. One of the most important is the comfort poly grip. This is very important when you're trying to put your extra pressure on there, gives your fingers a nice feel, and gives you a solid grip so that you don't have any slippage. It's much better than some of these aluminum handles that you see out there. Additionally, PROSeries ratchet buckles are double locking handles so that you can put them in place and they do not raise up once they're locked in. As well, PROSeries ratchet buckles look great. So, just going to work through the operation of a PROSeries ratchet buckle. Very simple. Look at the mandrel, align it on the bottom, and then you're going to simply pull all the slack out by hand. You're going to do that before you ratchet. That's very important. Most people want to start ratcheting before they've pulled the slack out, and all that causes is your webbing to get caught up on your mandrel, and you end up having to cut your webbing and possibly damage your device for good. After you've got all of your slack pulled out of place, you're going to give the ratcheting device just 1.5 turns at the max. So however many ratchets that takes, that's it. Hand tension is all you need with a ratchet buckle. Another horrible misnomer is that you need to somehow apply an extra brute amount of strength. You don't need to be a huge person to be able to get a good tension on a ratchet buckle. So after you've hand tensioned it, all you do is secure your buckle after that, and you're ready to roll. Releasing, very simple. Release up on the handle. Most people don't know that what you need to do is hold the handle until the ratchet is fully extended to 180 degrees. Once it gets to 180 degrees and lays flat against your surface, you'll be able to rotate the mandrel and remove your webbing easily. Thanks for watching.